nearly there.
Sorry guys, I stopped it again. I'm getting peed off of that. Yeah, so this guy, I might have stopped it ages ago and not noticed. This guy is coming. He got off his bike. He might back us. I'm scared. Not really. He's there. Nice bike. Real good. He had purple pants and pedals. He loves purple. He loves purple. Oh, I've got what flowers are them. Right, yellow flowers. Not fucking them dandelion shit, whatever they are. It's not them. It's like a rude name. I think it's rapeseed. Smart. Yeah, it's rapeseed. Rapeseed flowers. Oh my god. So yeah, we've been past the man.
Anakin.
What?
The next Shrek.
Shrek?
Yeah.
Why is it Shrek?
When he's running through the sunfield.
Oh yeah, it's running through the sunflowers, wasn't he? Oh my god. I'm starting to cry.
Instead of Shrek, he's going to be a hillbilly.
Right.
With a knife.
I wonder when I'm going to stop. As soon as I see a dog, I'm running it. Oh goodness.
We're doing the bike, so you're being bike away.
That guy's slow as sugar. Yeah, I was swear in front of you, even though I probably didn't work.
Right now.
Sorry for keep turning it off. It's just that I keep knocking it because when I press the turn up volume, guess what it does? It turns it off. I better not turn it off again.
Anakin, you got to be good like right now.
No, I didn't.
If some guy just like stopped and went, yeah, on top of a bag of Arabers.
Oh yeah, that'd be
awesome.
awesome.
You know?
I'd stop and then I'd share some with you guys. I'd put it on the camera, let you eat it, let you eat your screen. Taste the Haribo mix, super mix.
But if he stopped and hands his knife, I'd shoot it at 10.
No, I want if he hands his knife, I'll get it.
Stab him.
And then I'll stab the floor.
Oh, well, I must stab him and raid him for money. If he's got any money, go down to McDonald's.
Then
Then come home and have some dinner.
Yeah, let's come home too.
He's like, you alright?
Oh yeah, I haven't even had my tea yet. Holy baloney. That's going to be my new catchphrase. Bloody hell, we've gone far. I can see a power plant over there. There's no power plants in fucking home. Oh
wait,
shit.
Those power plants we usually see when we're going down a road down to Leeds.
No, we're not in Leeds, Adam. Leeds it.
It's like halfway towards Leeds.
Oh,
So stop at this gate and then we'll carry on.
what, backwards?
No, I mean
Right,
carry
we'll
on
stop.
forward.
Right. Yeah, and then we'll turn back.
Oh,
We're out now, are we?
I want to carry on.
No, I'm about go on and then we'll turn back. Right, I'm going to stop here. I can see the church. I've never seen that church before. Oh. My ass is killing. My bed as well. This time, private, no entry. I don't have any proof stuff.